System of circles. Part 5.
Hi, hello everyone. For this session, we will discuss few problems. So, see the first problem. Show that the circles touch each other internally. So, find their point of contact and equation of common tangent. So, see here given circles. X square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y minus 20 is equals to 0. This is equation 1. And second circle equation, x square plus y square plus 6x plus 2y minus 90 is equals to 0. This is equation 2. So here center of the first circle is what? 1, 2. And radius of the circle, that is square root of 1 plus 4 plus 20. So clearly radius of the first circle is 5. So find center of the second circle. So that is clearly minus 3 minus 1. And radius of the circle, that is square root of 9 plus 1 plus 90. So clearly that is 10. Now find C1, C2 distance. That is square root of 1 plus 3 whole square, that is 16, and 2 plus 1 whole square, that is 9. So clearly we will get 5. Therefore C1 C2 is equals to what? Modulus of R1 minus R2. So clearly two circles touch each other internally. So see here clearly like this. So this is the first circle. And this is the second circle. See here this is C1 and this is C2. Okay. Now see here find their point of contact. So here you need to find this point and the equation of the common tangent and also find this equation. Okay. Now join C1, C2 this. So clearly for example this is Q. Now see here clearly. So therefore the point Q divides C1, C2 in the ratio R1 is to R2 external. Okay. So see here clearly C1 is what? 1, 2. This is x1, y1. And C2 is what? Minus 3, minus 1. So this is x2, y2. And R1 is to R2. So clearly that is what? 5 is to 10. So this is 1 is to 2, this is M and this is N. Then see here how to write Q. So clearly Q is external division formula. So that is Q is equal to mx2 minus nx1 by m minus n, comma my2 minus ny1 by m minus n. Okay. Now see here this is mx2. So 1 into minus 3. So you will get minus 3 minus nx1, that is 2 into 1, 2. Divide by m minus n, that is 1 minus 2. Next my2, that is 1 into minus 1 minus 1 and minus ny1, 2 into 2, 4 by minus 1. So see here clearly Q is what? 5, 5. This is the point of contact and also find the equation of common tangent. So the equation of common tangent. So what is the common tangent equation? Is S minus S dash is equals to 0. So here x square, y square get cancelled. Minus 2x minus 6x. That is minus 8x. Minus 4y minus 2y, that is minus 6y. Next minus 20 minus of minus 90, that is plus 70 is equals to 0. So in this minus 2 is common, you will get 4x plus 3y minus 35 is equals to 0. So this is the required common tangent equation. So see the second question. Find the radical center of the three circles. So what is mean by radical center? So radical center is the point of intersection of radical axis. So see here. So these are the three given circles. Okay. So find radical axis of S is equals to 0 and S dash equals to 0. And again find radical axis of S dash equals 0 and S double dash equals to 0. And again find radical axis of S equals 0 and S double dash equals 0. So clearly this point of intersection of radical axis is called as radical center. So here given circles x square plus y square plus 4x minus 7 equals to 0. So this is S. Okay. And S dash. So here divide with 2. Okay. So what you get? X square plus y square plus 3 by 2x plus 5 by 2y minus 9 by 2 is equals to 0. And third circle S double dash. So what is that? X square plus y square plus y is equals to 0. Okay. Now find, see here, the radical axis of 1 and 2. Okay. This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Is S minus S dash equals to 0. So see here, x square minus x square, y square minus y square get cancel. Next one, 4x minus 3 by 2x. Next, minus 7 minus 5 by 2y plus 9 by 2 is equals to 0. So here 2 is the LCM. 2 4 is 8x minus 3x minus 14 minus 5y plus 9 is equals to 0. So 8x minus 3x, this is 5x. Next minus 5y. Okay. Minus 14 plus 9, that is minus 5 is equals to 0. So clearly this is x minus y minus 1 equals to 0. This is equation 4. And find radical axis of second and third circle or first and third circle. So see here, the radical axis of 1 and 3 is S minus S dash equals to 0. See here, x square minus x square, y square minus y square get cancelled. You will get 4x minus 7 minus y is equals to 0. This is equation 5. Now solving 4 and 5. So solving 4 and 5. So x, y constant. So see here, this can be written as minus 1, minus 1, 1, minus 1. And here, how to write this one? 4x minus y minus 7 equals to 0. Okay. Now this is minus 1, minus 7, 4, minus 1. So x by 7 minus 1 and y by minus 4 plus 7 and constant by minus 1 plus 4. So clearly what is x value? 6 by 3. And what is y value? 3 by 3. So therefore radical center. So what is the radical center? 2, 1. Okay. So see here, next third one. If two circles are touch each other, then show that f dash g is equals to g dash f. So see here given circles x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy is equals to 0. And second one, x square plus y square plus 2g dash x plus 2f dash y is equals to 0. So this is equation 1, this is equation 2. So clearly there is no constant in both circles. So clearly these two circles are passing through the origin. Okay, na? So therefore these circles are passing through origin. Okay, na? And touch each other. Okay, na? So see here, so like this. And also given two circles are touch each other. Okay, na? Therefore given circles touch each other. Okay, na? So clearly touch each other at 0, 0 only. Okay, na? So this is O. Okay. Now this is the center C1 and this is the center C2. So join C1, C2. Okay. So see here, find center of the first circle. So what is C1? Minus G comma minus F. And what is C2? Minus G dash comma minus F dash. And O is 0 comma 0. So clearly C1, O, C2 are lies on same line. Therefore C1 comma O and C2 are collinear. So collinear means these 3 points lies on same circle. Therefore slope of OC1 is equal to slope of OC2. So therefore slope of OC1 is equals to slope of OC2. See here, find slope of OC1. So what is that? 0 minus of minus f, that is f by g, is equal to slope of OC2, that is f dash by g dash. So clearly from this g dash f is equal to what? F dash g. So this is the required condition. So see here, next question number 4. So that the circles touch each other if 1 by a square plus 1 by b square equals to 1 by c. So see here given circles. So what are the given circles? X square plus y square plus 2ax plus c is equals to 0. This is equation 1. And second circle, x square plus y square plus 2by plus c is equals to 0. This is equation 2. So find centers of the circles. See here C1. So what is the center of the first circle? That is minus a comma 0. And R1. So what is the radius of the first circle? That is square root of a square minus c. And find center of the second circle. That is 0 comma minus b. And radius is what? Square root of b square minus c. See here given circles are touch each other. So clearly what is the condition? C1, C2 is equal to R1 plus R2. If two circles touch each other externally. If two circles touch each other internally, so in that case you will get minus. Okay. So therefore squaring on both sides. So what you get? C1, C2 whole square is equal to R1 square plus R2 square plus R minus 2 R1 R2. Okay. So what is C1, C2 distance? So find this distance. That is 0 minus of minus a. That is a square plus minus b minus 0 whole square. That is b square. So this is equal to R1 square. That is a square minus c plus b square minus c plus r minus 2 r1 r2. That is square root of a square minus c into b square minus c. So see here, Here plus a square, b square get cancelled. So minus c, minus 2c. So send left side, it becomes 2c is equals to 2 times of square root of a square minus c into square root of b square minus c. So 2 get cancelled. Now again squaring on both sides. So what you get? C square is equals to a square minus c into b square minus c. Here a square minus c into b square minus c. Now clearly this is what? C square is equal to a square b square minus a square c minus b square c plus c square. Again c square get cancelled. Now these two values send left side, then it becomes c times of a square plus b square is equals to a square b square. Okay. Now again this can be written as a square plus b square by a square b square is equal to 1 by c. Now separate the terms. So what you get? 1 by b square plus 1 by a square is equal to 1 by c. So this is the required condition. So see here next fifth one. Find the equation and length of common chord of two circles. So see here what are the given circles? Given S is equals to x square plus y square plus 3x plus 5y plus 4 is equals to 0. And what is the second circle? S dash is equal to x square plus y square plus 5x plus 3y plus 4 is equals to 0. Okay. So here find the equation of the common chord. So you know that the equation of common chord. So what is the equation of common chord? Is s minus s dash equals to 0. So here x square minus x square, y square minus y square get cancel. 3x minus 5x, that is minus 2x. 5y minus 3y, that is plus 2y. 4 minus 4 is 0. Okay. So clear, this is what? X minus y equals to 0. So this is the equation of common chord. And find the length of the common chord. So you know that length of the common chord formula is 2 into square root of r square minus d square. So here length of common chord. So what is the length of the common chord formula? 2 root r square minus d square. Here d is the perpendicular distance from any one of the center of circle to the common chord, that is x minus y equals to 0. So here first find center of the circle. C1 is what? Minus 3 by 2 comma minus 5 by 2. And radius R1 is what? Square root of 9 by 4 plus 25 by 4 minus 4. Okay. So clear, this is what? 25 plus 9, 34 minus 16 by 4. Okay. So clear, 34 minus 16, 18. Square root of 18 by 4. So this is what? 3 root 2 by 2. Now what is R1? That is 3 by root 2. Now find D. So see here D equals to perpendicular distance from center of the first circle or second circle. Here take C1 to x minus y equals to 0. See here, that is what? D is equal to modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c by under root of a square plus b square. Therefore D is equal to ax1, that is 1 into minus 3 by 2. So you will get minus 3 by 2 and minus 1 into minus 5 by 2, that is plus 5 by 2. So divide by square root of a square plus b square, that is 1 square plus 1 square. You will get 5 minus 3, 2 by 2 is 1. So clearly you will get 1 by root 2 is D. Therefore length of the common chord formula is 2 root r square minus d square. that is 2 root r square, that is 3 square 9 by 2 minus d square, that is 1 by 2. So clear, this is what 2 root 9 minus 1, 8 by 2 is 4. Therefore length of the common chord is 4. So next we will discuss 2 marks questions. So first one, find the equation of radical axis of two circles. So see the first solution. So what is the given circles? X square plus y square minus 2x minus 4y minus 1 is equals to 0. This is equation 1. And second circle, x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y plus 5 is equals to 0. This is second one. So you know that the radical axis of 1 and 2 is what? S minus S dash equals to 0. So here x square minus x square, y square minus y square, it cancel. Minus 2x minus of minus 4x. That is, see here, minus 2x minus 4y minus 1 plus 4x plus 6y minus 5 is equals to 0. Now see here, this is 4x minus 2x, 2x, 6y minus 4y plus 2y minus 5 minus 1 minus 6 equals to 0. So clear, this is what? X plus y minus 3 equals to 0. So this is the equation of the radical axis. So and see the second one, find the equation of common chord of the circle. So see your solution. Given circles x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to c square, or minus c square is equal to 0. And second one, x minus b whole square plus y minus a whole square minus c square equals to 0. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. So therefore the equation of common chord. So what is the equation of common chord? Is s minus s dash equals to 0. Okay. So clear, that is what? X minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square minus c square. So minus of x minus b whole square plus y minus a whole square minus c square is equals to 0. So here c square get cancelled. Now this is x minus a whole square, x square plus a square minus 2ax, and this one plus y square plus b square minus 2by, and this one minus of x square plus b square minus 2bx plus y square plus a square minus 2ay is equals to 0. So clearly x square and y square get cancelled, and a square b square, here also b square a square, both are get cancelled. Minus 2ax and plus 2bx. So in that 2x is common, you will get b minus a. So clearly in that minus 2y is common, you will get b minus a is equals to 0. So b minus a is common. So 2 also common, you will get x minus y is equals to 0. So but here b minus a is not equals to 0. See here, b minus a is not equals to 0, b is not equals to a. Okay. That is the given condition. Therefore this term is 0. So therefore x minus y equals to 0. So this is the equation of the common chord. So try to solve these questions. So for next session we will discuss new chapter.